All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about the DL preset. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring over a document that I found on Firefox talking about the complete DL size guide, just so that you have an understanding of what exactly it is the DL size is and what it's for. So give your brochures, flyers, and leaflets a slick and sophisticated makeover by using DL size. Tall, slim, and perfect for pamphlets. It's an eye-catching design that commands attention. Check out our DL size guide and see how it compares to other dimensions of paper, envelopes, brochures, flyers, leaflets, cards, notepads, NCR pads, invitation envelopes. We also look at what you can use DL size products for. Okay, so what is DL size? DL measures 99 millimeters by 210 millimeters, exactly 1/3 of A4. It's the standard size for personal envelopes, cards, and invitations, and promotional materials such as brochures, flyers, and leaflets. DL stands for dimension lengthwise. So DL dimensions. It's important to consider size when buying paper, envelopes, and cards, or printing flyers, brochures, and leaflets. While going for large size gives you more space to get your message across, less is sometimes more, and smaller sizes can make a big impact. Here are the dimensions of each size in millimeters, centimeters, and inches. So DL paper size dimensions. Okay, so we have the paper size. So DL is 99 by 210 millimeters. For inches, it's 3.9 by 8.3. And then if you were to do A0, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, those are the different sizes right here, okay? How does DL size compare to other paper sizes? DL has shorter width than A6, but is longer. It's the same length as A5, but has a much shorter width. DL is 1/3 of the size of A4, 1/6 of the size of A3, 1/12 of the size of A2. 32 DLs make up A1. Okay, so like I said, DL is a smaller size, but you can get more out of it. And 64 DLs make up A0. So here you can see the chart. They got A0 is 1180 by 594 millimeters. A1 is 594 by 420 millimeters. A2 is 594 by 420, so the same size. A3 is 420 by 297. A4 is 297 by 210. A5 is 210 by 148. A6 is 148 by 105. And then DL is 99 by 210 milliliters. So for DL size leaflets, we can do millimeters, which is 99 by 210. Centimeters, this is 9.9 by 21. Or inches, which is 3.9 by 8.3. Okay. And it's the same for brochures. It keeps the same size. Same with flyers. Same with cards. Same with notepads. And envelopes are a different size. So with envelopes, it's 4.3 inches by 8.6. Okay. The NCR pad is 4.1 by 8.2 inches. Okay. So that's DL in a nutshell. Basically, you have a lot of options to choose from when you're doing marketing materials and advertising and promotion. But if you want to use DL, this is one way to do that. And so I just wanted to show you this because, again, this is important to understand what you're getting into before you even start looking at Photoshop. We want to get kind of a background and a backstory and see what's going on. So let's go inside of Photoshop here. And what I'm going to do is, this was the previous document that we had opened in the previous video. So what I want to do is leave this open. We're going to do File, New. Okay, and we're going to go to Print. We're going to go to View All Presets, and we're going to go to DL. Okay, and I'm going to hit Create. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here, hit Control A, Control C, and then Control V inside of here. And you can see that this is the width is not as wide as the other documents are. That's the one thing that I noticed, that it's got less of that width. Okay, so, it kind of cuts off some of the content, which is fine. I think that's kind of cool. It kind of gives it a different perspective and a different look. And it's kind of slicker, you know? It's a sleeker looking design, which is kind of cool. Okay, so you can see the different, like the sleek lookness of this compared to if I were going to use like an A4. So if I do File, New, and we go to Print, and we grab an A4, right? And then I paste this in there. Okay, you can see the difference. Like if I hit Control T and then kind of size this up a little bit so that everything fits there like it's supposed to. Okay, so you can see it. The A4 will fill a little cleaner than the DL, but the DL looks a little cooler because even though it's cutting off some of the clip art, it really picks up a lot of the feel of this promotion. For example, we're trying to kind of target the title, the poster. That's really the focal point. So this makes it really a focal point. When you cut off the circle, it kind of makes you focus on the text. Because sometimes when you have too many elements, it'll really distract you from what you're trying to, the message that you're trying to get across. Okay. All right. So thanks for watching. I hope that you found this lecture on DL very interesting and educational and informative in helping you pick out what exactly you want to use for promotional materials. All right, so thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.